Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out an RV garage pool home for a client that just got a price reduction. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, this is 2801 Paseo Dorado. Real desirable area in the residential estates area, close to the golf course. So most of these homes in the residential estates have underground utilities and natural gas. Golf course is basically right behind this row of houses back here. You have some nice professional landscaping, rock work, artificial turf. Looks like it has some Malibu lights, so it probably lights up nice at night. Let's go on in and check it out. All right guys, this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath pool home, 2,072 square feet, built in 2007, 8,200 square foot lot in the residential estates area. Nice open living area, tall ceilings. Looks like a wood burning fireplace. Has a nice big entry and then wraps around to the kitchen. So the new price tag on this one is $799. It was occupied for a while, but now they are gone, so it's going to be easier to show. Little dining area, granite tops, eat-at bar. Like the cabinets are updated a little bit. Stainless appliances. Has double doors out to the backyard pool area. Has a travertine tiled backsplash. They winterized it so the fridge's doors are open, not plugged in. So this is a split floor plan. Master's on one side, guest bedrooms on the other. Let's go see what we can find. So you have your master and laundry garage access behind the kitchen here. So this would be the master, tall ceilings, French doors out to the backyard, patio and pool area. Carpet's probably original to the house, could use a little love, but might clean up nice. Nice master bath, dual sinks, granite tops, same cabinets, tall ceilings, skylight. You have your soaker tub and walk-in tiled shower. You have your fancy toilet with its own door, walk-in closet. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. So we're back off the entry. You have a couple bedrooms. Let's call this bedroom number 2. Pretty decent size for a guest bedroom. Standard double slider door closet. So you have a guest bath at the end of the hall and the 2 other bedrooms. Same granite tops. Another fancy toilet. Carpet's a little roached on this one. Same double door for the closet. So yeah, bedroom number 4. All right, let's go check out the garage and the pool. So you have a nice big indoor laundry. Those are laminate tops on the counter. Has a skylight in here. I believe there's natural gas here as well behind the plumb for natural gas. So you have your 2-car side, 20 feet deep, 19 feet wide at the door. Has an 8-foot high insulated door. Has some built-ins you could probably remove. So you have the RV side, which is 44 feet deep, 13 feet wide at the door with a 12-foot high insulated door. There is a swamp cooler out here, but you could probably put mini splits in here and get a better experience. There are full hookups in here. Looks like they did a little drywall repair back here. All right, let's go see what the pool looks like. So you have a big covered back patio and pool area, super private. Pool looks pretty nice. A little Baja shelf, pop-up cleaners, little bar table, a little dirty. Cool little spa. Looks like they have solar heating for the pool, which is like a radiator style that sits on the roof. They also have the natural gas backup. So they have the propane tank on the side of the house. They are not using natural gas. It's propane as a backup pool heater to the radiator style solar on the roof. Looks like it has a saltwater membrane. Who knows if that works or not. They usually go out and people just bypass them. I did like the stamp type concrete decking. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Paseo, Dorado. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.